oven. So, Tara.
Yes.
In
Mary.
the world of stoneware.
Yes.
Why microfiber?
Okay, here's what I love about microfiber. As Mary just mentioned, super absorbent, right? Perfect to polish with, replaces your paper towels in a more efficient way, right? We spend a fortune on paper towels and then we just throw them out. You can reuse these time and time again. They're perfect to dust, fingerprints, and as Mary was just mentioning, nice large size. So we'll show you the patterns in just a second, but follow me over here because here's what I love to show you. Over a cup of water that we have right here in our bowl, and all I'm gonna do is submerge that towel. I'm gonna get it all right in there, and let me just show you. There is nothing left in the bottom of that bowl. Why? Because it's all right here in that great towel. So super duper absorbent. That's why we love these. Not only are they great, they're printed, they're beautiful, they match back, but they work each and every time.
They're $4.67 a piece.
Incredible.
$4.67 a piece, and they have the cute prints. So let's see what options we've got for you tonight.
Let's do it.
These are new today.
Yeah.
Of course, they're on free shipping until the end of the day, though. So order them in the show because the shipping goes, or the free shipping on everything goes away at the end of the show.
And our seasonal towels we won't do again. So just like our kettle, this is what makes these so special. We're gonna try to bring them in for each season so that you have them. So here's your confetti, mixing and matching all of your great colors. Here's your romance. And I'm just gonna like destroy the display a little because I just want you to see how beautiful that is printed. Can you fold them? Absolutely. They're bound all the way around the edges. And then they have that super thirsty microfiber there.
By the way, there's only 300 left in the romance.
Okay.
Yeah, they're already very popular.
First time we've done football. Can we talk about how great these are? I even love this, like if you're having like every Sunday you have everybody over or football, you can use these as little like trivets for the table, towels around the house. So again, these are super cute.
This could be your tailgating set, right?
Cute.
There's only 400 left there.
Gosh. All right, then of course we have Doodle Doo. So talking about that whole theme of kind of good luck in your kitchen. Maybe you picked up the tea kettle, you want to pick up some of the towels, and this could be a really fun housewarming gift for someone who's maybe just buying a new house.
There's 450 available in the Doodle.
Okay, and then I cannot stand how great the shamrock came out. So your lime greens, your emerald greens. Look how beautiful. First time we've done a shamrock towel in our microfiber. Love the seasonality of it.
350 left there. Are they machine wash?
Yes, they're machine wash. You just want to go ahead and tumble dry low and no fabric softener, because what's great about microfiber is exactly what we were just, exactly what we were just talking about. So things like, you know, your mirrors where you want to just go ahead and polish them. Here's what I love, no chemicals. You can literally clean just by using water. So when you have those fingerprints, when you want to dust, you're going to want to reach for microfiber. And Temp-tations microfiber each and every time, gives you that great performance. Drying dishes, I love again those necessary.
That's
Did you just break that?
Did you give me the theater glass? Is that
Mary, you gotta stop working out.
Hey guys,
you got
I've
some
been
muscles.
lifting.
All kidding aside, did you cut yourself?
No, not a bit.
Okay.
Actually, I did it with the towel, so I was protected by the towel.
Clean up in aisle 9.
But there was a spot on that side. I just want you to know, I got it out.
Clean up on aisle 9. Okay.
I mean, it was time.
Back to drying.
Wait, Ray, can I ask you for one of those, like we're in a fashion show shots?
Oh.
Because I want everybody to see.
I've never been in a fashion show.
Oh, you should be. Look at the loops on that microfiber. 1,000 have already been ordered, including me breaking a glass. That didn't stop anybody from ordering. But that's what's getting all of the spots off of your glasses. This is what is absorbing all of the liquid out of the bowl. This is what is going to help you dry the counter, dry your hands. And the romance is starting to get rather limited. So you said there's how many left, Alan? There's 100 left in the romance, and that's it. How about I pick up a couple shards and we show the rest of the patterns?
Okay, you do that. I'll go over to the patterns. How about that?
Sounds good.
So again, what I love, instead of using paper towels, you're able to reuse your microfiber. Again, if you want to put these on your stove, over that handle, over your dishwasher, you can do that as well. They're a nice, generous oversize, which is great. Here's your confetti, mixing and matching all of your beautiful colors here. So again, if you can't choose a pattern, this is the way to go because it's super happy and cheerful.
Wow.
Then,
half of our quantity is gone.
I'm telling you, we're not going to do these again. So we're going to bring in microfiber towels for the seasons. Here's our romance. Please don't miss out on this.
A few dozen left.
Powder room.
That's it.
Again, bathrooms. Love it. Boy, you created a mess over there.
I know, I really did. I'm sorry.
Here is our football. This, again, I think is super sweet. I love how it pops of greens there.
350 left.
All right.
Goodness.
Well, here is our doodle-doo. So again, that scatter print of your rooster. Good luck in the kitchen.
250
and
left.
The pop of that great red. And then last but not least is that gorgeous shamrock, which we will not do these again. So pick them up for the season that you love.
150 left.
And you can use those in your powder room as well.
Okay, so here's an idea. Oh, romance sold out.
Oh,
romance is
you're gonna
completely
love
gone.
it.
I have an
You're gonna
idea.
love it.
There's
I'll
6
remove
of
it.
these,
Yeah.
right? So if we look overhead again, I just want to point out, let's put these 2 in the kitchen hanging from the oven handle.
Oven handles
right?
or your dishwasher, sure.
And then here's a set of 2 for the powder room downstairs.
Love.
Here's 1 for your car.
Oh.
So that if you need to dry off your hands or you need to wipe the frost off the windshield,
right.
you have a little one in your car. And here's one for the end table upstairs so you can wipe off your glasses and you can wipe off your screens and things like that. That's
I love
one
that.
set.
That's just one set. You're getting 6 towels for an unbelievable value with the free shipping in the seasonal that we won't do again. And I love that you just said, I love that you just said that for the car because my husband Ed, who's obsessed with getting car washes,
oh my gosh, I love it.
also keeps a microfiber towel in case there might be some water on the outside of the car that he needs to take care of. But let me just show you really quick to remind you, over a cup of water, because I didn't show you that, I just went right in there before. That's a lot of water, okay? This is an extreme kind of demonstration. Take that super thirsty microfiber towel, and literally all I'm doing is pressing it in here, and the water remains right inside there. Over a cup of water that's now absorbed in here. Throw it right in your washing machine, and then your dryer, tumble dry low, no fabric softener.
So we started with 2,700 sets.
Yeah.
We have 800 left. Also, I just want you to know that I may really have strong upper body strength and shatter glass, but the stoneware is fine.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to shatter that. No, no, no. No.
Totally
I mean, try it.
No, I think we're done. But you know what? I love that you're getting 6 because think about it. If you do pick up more than 1 set, it's $9.33 or $9.33 on Easy Pay. It's $20 to get 2 sets. So now it's $20 for 12, and the free shipping is gone at the end of the day today.
You could even use them as little drying mats too. So did you notice how we use it as drying mat? And then of course, because you're getting 6, I love what you were saying. You just have the versatility of kind of using them all around the home or just concentrated for one great thing.
What about one for your golf bag? I mean, if you like to golf, you could keep one in the golf bag. Okay, Shamrock, we still have.
Obsessed.
Oh, Shamrock sold out. Sorry, just kidding. And then Doodle Doo, 150 left. Football, 300 left. And then
the confetti.
Old World confetti. If you collect lemons and palms, that yellow is going to pop with it.
Beautiful.
Right?
Yeah. Plus the lavenders, and like if you picked up our skirt apron in that as well, like they're just super fun.
All right, we're moving on.
I'm digging the music.
Everybody grab it. Me too. Hey.